Bangalore 1st June 2026, a proud moment for Karnataka and a grand celebration for Alan Bangalore as the JEE Advanced 2026 results announced by IIT Roorkee brought outstanding success for the institute. Leading the achievements is Ayan Raghupati from Alan Bangalore, who secured an impressive All India rank 12 and emerged as the Karnataka state topper in JEE Advanced 2026. The announcement was welcomed with excitement and celebrations across the Alan campus, where teachers congratulated successful students and their parents and marked the occasion by distributing sweets. Speaking on the achievement, Alan South Zone Head Mahesh Yadav said that Alan has once again upheld its tradition of academic excellence and delivered exceptional results in one of the country's most competitive examinations. Adding to the success story, Alan Bangalore recorded another major milestone with 37 classroom students securing All India ranks within the top 1,000, demonstrating the institute's consistent focus on quality preparation and student success. At the national level, Alan Career Institute Kota continued its remarkable dominance by securing All India rank 1 in JEE Advanced for the third consecutive year. Alan students secured 6 positions among the national top 10 ranks, while 24 classroom students featured in the top 50 and 41 students secured places in the top 100. National topper Shubham Kumar from Alan Kota achieved All India rank 1 with a score of 330 out of 360, followed by Kabir Chillar with AIR 2 and Jatin Chahar with AIR 3. Adding further glory, All India girls topper Arohi Deshpande from Alan Kota secured AIR 77, while Yashwardhan from Alan Online Life course achieved AIR 52. With another year of exceptional results, Alan continues to strengthen its reputation as one of India's leading institutions for engineering entrance preparation and academic excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Mahesh Yadav, Vice President of Alan Career Institute South India Centers, and today JEE Advanced result is out and the fantastic result from the Alan Bangalore. हमारा जो स्टेट टॉपर कर्नाटका स्टेट टॉपर ऑल इंडिया रैंक 12 is Aryan Raghupati, and in top 100 we have got 3 rank, 12, 48 and 97 rank. So, and apart from that, the top 1000 we have got 45 rank. So best result as far as the Alan Bangalore is concerned.
Sir, what is the success rate compared to the previous last year?
So last year in top 100 we got only 1 rank. This time we have got 3 rank. So I think it is 3 times. It is better. Last year we didn't had our topper also, but this team Karnataka topper is also from the Alan Bangalore.
How many students overall toppers?
So last year number of students who scored, because till now we have compiled till the 1000. So till now 1000. Last year we had around 26, and this time in the top 1000 rank from the Bangalore it is 36 number. So it is almost 10 number more compared to the last year.
My name is Nathan. I got 287 marks in this year's JEE Advanced. I also got All India rank 48. First of all, I want to thank the Alan teachers, Alan faculty, and my parents and my friends for their immense support throughout my journey. For the past 3 years, there's been a lot of effort going into this. It has been, we are extremely happy and proud about what he has been able to achieve. I think this is a result of his hard work, persistent commitment towards this, examination preparation, because of which he has been able to achieve these results. We wanted to really thank Alan, faculty, the teachers here, who provided extreme support over the last 2-3 years, which allowed us, to achieve this result. So we are extremely happy as parents.
My name is Ojas Gupta, and I secured an All India rank of 372. I got 242 marks in JEE Advanced, and Alan was very helpful in my preparation. It was a really good experience. I've been in Alan since 9th grade. And it was a good experience throughout the 4 years.
I am really thankful to Alan for their mentoring, for their guidance. It was an incredible efforts by the teachers and the mentors, and emotionally they kept them motivated throughout the time. So thank you very much.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಶ್ವಪ್ ಗುರುಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ರಾವ್. JEE Advanced ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 550 ಬಂತು. ಈ ಜರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಆಲನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಜರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಮೋಷ್ನಲ್ ಆಗು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗು ಹಾಗೆ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ. 100% ಸರ್ಟೆನ್ಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟೆ ಓದಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ
ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ಹಾಂ
ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್
ಹಾಂ ಇದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅವರ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಬರೀ ಆಲನ್ ಓದೋದಿತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 hours 6 hours ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 hours ಏನೋ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 3 hours 4 hours ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಥರ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು
ನಮ್ ಜರ್ನಿ 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲದೂನು ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂನು ಅವರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ತುಂಬ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂನು, ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೀಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಳಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರು, ಧೈರ್ಯನೂ ತುಂಬ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.